Hi. So let's talk about people that comment, let's be friends, or where do you live? Like, bro, I'm not falling for that. Like, go get a job. I'm a kid, dude. I don't want to be your friend unless I know what you look like. Also, why do you need to know where I live? That's not your concern. We could be moose if you want, or if I've been talking with you for a bit. But if you're someone random, then just know. I'm not gonna talk to a grown adult from online off of YouTube. No offense if you don't have any friends, but asking for a friend off of a social media app is not the way to make one. If anyone asks these questions, you don't have to answer. You can just delete their comment. Anyway, watch me draw a dragon puppet I'ma make.